Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and what a month it has been. Whoosh! It's like a whirlwind, right? It's like already gone. I cannot believe it. We had so much fun on 4th of July. We had a great summer. We had a little vacation in there. It's just been an amazing, amazing month. I thought if you've been as busy as I am, which I'm sure you are, you might have missed 1 or 2 items that we released this month, and I don't want you to miss out on them. So let's jump in, and I want to show you these items just so you can make sure that you have them in your stash. Are you ready? Get set. This one I'm going to show you. I'm sorry if you don't have it, you cannot buy it. Wait, what? Yeah. If you don't have it, you can't buy it. It's our Fold It Club. Our Fold It Club is our shaped card club. You cannot purchase these items on our website. They're exclusive to the club. The only way you can get this is if you were a club member. So join the club now. We have a brand new one we just released. Get it ASAP so you don't miss out. But this is what we released for July. It's our cute topsy-turvy little tortoise, and look how cute he is. He's a shaped card, or he's perfect for 5x7. Also for scrapbook pages, banners, little treat bags, you name it, this guy's perfect for it. Also comes with 2 stencils. So go check out our shaped card club, Fold It Club, if you're not in it, because you can't get that. Then we released our hermit crabs. These you still can get. These are from our Stampin' Die Hard Club. We released our, oh my goodness gracious, you guys, they're so cute. They're my little Hermes. I love them. The club dies even came with the seaweed, and it came with some rocks, which is pretty awesome, right? Now, we also released this fun background die. It's called the Sea Floor die set, because there's so many different options on die cutting those and having some fun floor dies, sea floor dies. It's kind of hard to say. Here's another one of our cute little Hermes. I love them. This is on our bouncy side fold card, which we released earlier last month. Here's some sea floor dies. Now this is going to give you a really good idea. See how they just kind of go? Because you know the sea floor, I mean, it's just like fluid, right? Also, we released this coral border, which is really fun. Perfect for our little Hermes. I love them. We also released a toucan. Fold It, which is so adorable. I love his beak. It's just so fun. I love it. We also released, and you guys went crazy for this one because the price is amazing. It's a box card, but watch this. It looks flat, but when you open it, ta-da, there's a box inside. It's a hidden box. Don't you just love that? Isn't it fun? Folds flat for mailing, so you don't have to worry. Then we also, oh, here's some more. Look at these Hermes. Oh my goodness, you guys. So here's our little Hermes. Here's our coral border. Here's the sea floor. That little shell comes in the More Hermit Crab stamp set and die set, which is really fun. Then we released, are you ready for this? Another wow, because we have the box card one, but here we have a cake pop-up. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? The cake literally pops up. Comes with candles also. Layering dies as well. So adorable. Then we also released our fish tank. Perfect for our Hermes as well, right? Oh, and this one, look at this. It even is an easel card. Look how awesome that is. Yes, all of our Fold-Its can be turned into easel cards. So dang easy. Look at that. And it's a shaker. Oh, does it get better than that? I fish you a great birthday. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. We're going to hang that one right there. It's going to stay there. Now, we also released 5x7 eyelet scalloped dies. Look at that, you guys. Now, those of you with smaller machines can now make 5x7 cards by putting your fold in there and die cutting. Isn't that fantastic? I love it. Also coordinates great. You'll notice the yellow behind that. That's our regular scalloped die. So we have the holes now so they can layer right on top of each other. Fantastic. We also released, there's my cute little Miller, our Miller Little Peep with our Pool Time floaty. Now the floaty is new. Miller's been around for at least 4 years, right? But look how cute he is. We also released our pencil slimline, perfect for the teachers in your life, perfect for banners, back to school banners when your kids go back to school. Look how cute that is. And it fits in a standard slimline or business size envelope. Oh, here's another one I couldn't resist. Look how cute that is. I love it. It takes a big heart to shape little minds. Isn't that perfect for a teacher? I love it. Then, oh, I love these bookmarks. Well, they really are bookworm, but he comes with a little book die, and if you laminate him, he's perfect. He's the perfect bookmark for your books. We also released some new foil paper. So this one has black, 2 greens, and this gorgeous, gorgeous pink. I love it. Then, oh, let's celebrate your birthday card front. The nice thing about these card fronts, you guys, is it's all one piece when it die cuts. So this, all the blue aqua you see here is all one die. You don't have to go back and glue in the inside of the E or the inside of the B's or anything like that. It's all die cut for you. Look at how cute that is. We also released, finally, which I cannot believe we didn't have these on our website sooner, rounded rectangles stitch dies. Finally, like what took me so long, right? We also released our Sorry panel. Also came with a panel of sad faces, but look how beautiful that is on our mini slimline die. When somebody, look at this, when somebody needs help, I'm here for you during this difficult time. That stamp set is called Here for You, so go check that out as well. We also released a almost grab bag. There's so many different twines in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 different twines. This is limited edition. Once it's gone for good, so get it now. If you don't see it on the website, that means it's gone. And last but certainly not least, we re-released, brought it out of the vault, the 5x7 square flip it I released with Sizzix 100 years ago. Look how awesome this is. We've had so many requests for this. We also have the circle 5x7 flip it, but now we have the square back in stock. So exciting. Club members, you know the rules. You get 15 to 20% off every single day, every single item, every single order. If you are not in the club, you are missing out. Wah! Go to our website, thestampsoflife.com, click on join the club and just watch the video. You gotta do it. Also, if you're watching this on YouTube and you're new to us, please make sure you click that subscribe button that's right there in the corner. Also click the little bell. That'll give you a notification anytime we release a new video or when we go live. We go live 3 times a week at the Stamps of Life, and you're not going to want to miss out because it's so much fun. Thanks so much. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye. so much for watching. Now, make sure you subscribe to our channel right below us here so you don't miss out on any of our videos. You'll also have the option to click the Shop Now button or check out some of these other videos that we have on YouTube, because you know what? You're going to love them. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.